Hello, I'm Katie. Welcome to the Planner channel. Subscribe to watch weekly planning videos and click the link in the description box to get your free planning checklist. In this video, we are doing the very first spread in my inspiration planner. If you want to watch the setup video, I'll link that up in the cards, and then our brainstorm video as well. But this will be the first week that we're going to decorate, and since this whole entire planner's purpose is to be inspiration for me and for you, we can do whatever we want to do with this planner. So it's going to be exploration of decoration as well as all different ways you can use the Happy Planner. So the first week that I've been dying to do this layout for over a year, I've been wanting to do a dashboard layout specifically for hobbies, and this one is specifically for my hobby, which is horses, riding and training horses. So let's get started. So I think we'll go ahead and redate it first, and then we'll talk about our theme. Well, we could do our theme first. We do have a theme. We know it's going to be a hobby layout, and I want to use the Neon Lights sticker book, and we've already picked all our themes for this whole planner. So this will be a Neon Lights week, but we do need to redate this planner because it's going to be a 2020 inspiration planner. Even though half of 2020 is basically gone already, it's still going to be my 2020 inspiration planner. So it'll be our inspiration for the future, and there are no rules. So I'm going to back plan that. And then this one's from 2019. This is a month of dashboard layout Supermom. So we're going to utilize it. Why not? It's a way you can use your old planners that are outdated. So we're going to need some new dates for this week. All right, I found some cute date stickers in the Happy Memory Keeping Dates and Holidays sticker book. I've been planning on using these for memory keeping, but I haven't done it yet, so why not use them? There's these cute little ice creams. Aren't they adorable? So in 2020, Monday in this week is the 22nd. So let's switch, just cover up that 24 with this little 22nd ice cream. I think these colors are going to match with our neon lights, hopefully. But I'm using my, oh my gosh, just that is so cute. All right, we need a 2020 or something to cover that up. We'll find something. I'm sure there'll be something cute in that Neon Lights sticker book. All right, let me go ahead and take these pages out, and we'll use the Fiskars cutting mat behind this so that we don't mess up my desk. It's just so much easier to decorate and plan off of the discs. All right, so we're going to need some washi tape. I grabbed a couple of washi tapes from the Supermom washi tape collection, and I don't think I'll be using any of these boxes the way that they're labeled, so I'm going to cover up those labels. So let's put a couple of washi tapes down just to cover up those words, and then we can add labels later if we want to. All right, next up is box stickers. And since this layout is specific to training horses, I'm going to have some specific things in this layout. We're going to have an AM/PM feeding schedule. Let's put it right here and right there. Maybe below that cute washi that we just put there. AM/PM. Okay. All right, I found some cute boxes, and I think there are enough colors that kind of match with our little ice cream cones over here that we can have like a little matching box for each day. And I think that these will fit in our dashboard layout. So for my horse training schedule, there will be some, I'll definitely write in some things on the days, some notes. So I'm just trying to figure out what's the best way to put these boxes. I guess we have the most space if we do it like this in this corner. These are cute little neon lights boxes. All right, I'm trying to match up all the colors. There's a green, teal. This will be the teal. I guess we won't need the light blue. There's pink. Okay, there's 2 pinks. There's an orangish one. Purple, green. Okay, I think we're good. So every day we'll get a box. I guess we need another color for this day because we kind of have one pinkish orange and one, well, I guess that one will get the blue box then, just so that it's different. I thought that these 2 pinks were different shades, but they look, hold on, they're pretty close. You know, could just do 2 pink, or we could have a blue. I like having different colors. I'll put this pink back and we'll just use blue for this day. All right, next up is checklists and bullet points. So let's grab a couple of bullet points for the days that have matching colors. I just like matching. I think it's cute. These little bullet points are cute. So a few of these match, and we'll just put them on the days that match. Like that on the weekend, maybe Monday. And then if there's some that don't have matching bullet points, we'll find some other stickers just to switch it up. All right, I found some stickers that match this color just to switch it up. No reason. Well, the reason is there weren't any of those that match, but we'll use these. These are cute. Now and later. And I like the color. I want to add on a box to cover up this what's for dinner up here, because this will be something like training plans, something like that. So let's just put a little banner sticker there so we can write in how we'll use that box. And I think we're ready for decorative stickers. I want to add in something to cover up this because this is not really a Supermom theme, and I liked this box that says adventure. And I'm going to leave the heart because my pony is there and I love my pony, or my pony will be there in a second. All right, I don't want to cover up the, what are these called? Those. So I'm just going to put my sticker there to cover up the words. And then I got my pony picture. I just printed it on regular paper because for some reason my app wasn't working to print it out on my HP sprocket. So I have to figure out what's going on with that. Oh, this one have tape. Maybe it does. That was sticky. So I'm using this Tombow Mono permanent adhesive. You can print your stickers out on sticker paper or print them on a mini printer, or order your, did I say stickers? I meant pictures. Pictures. Order your pictures. Any way that you print them, it doesn't have to be anything specific. Just any kind you use, you can put in your planner. That kind of didn't go right, but it'll work. All right, so I've got my picture printed out. I just put some sticky tape on the back, and I'm just going to put it right here in this box area. Kind of want some space on both sides because I might use those little cute circle stickers around it. Let me see if I can find those. I know there's some circles, but those aren't the ones. They said these. They say love this. So I want at least one of those, maybe two. Like these two corners. Let's see how, you know, pink is my favorite. Let's go with pink. See how that looks there. Where's my tweezers? Then I can cover up that focus because I don't really need it to say focus. I'm going to do that and then put another one. Let's see, we've got this bluish color, the purplish color, this pinkish peach, and green. So I'll put one here and one here. That's cute. All right, I think this is ready for after the pen. I don't think I'm going to put any more decorative stickers on here. This is kind of going to be a functional spread. I mean, it is cute. So I want to pop it on the discs, do our little photo shoot for the before the pen, and then we'll do our after the pen. I just realized I forgot to cover up that 2019, so I got the Colorful Boxes sticker book. I think this color will match with the page pretty good. And we can just cover that up with the box sticker. Let's see. Good. All right. And we'll put this right on top of those numbers. Done. All right, let's do our after the pen for our training week in June with my pony Pie. So I'm gonna write in Pie up here. Her name is P-E-I, Pie. And this will be our training schedule here. The point being that this box you can use for anything in your dashboard layout. I'm not sure exactly how the current dashboard layout is, but I'm pretty sure it still has a box here that you can use different ways. And this whole side of the page, you can use however you want. You can use the prompts as they are, the checklists, or you can cover them up and do whatever you want on that page. So a typical training schedule that I used to do would be something like so if we did jumping on Monday, let's see, what I was thinking of was something like this. If we're going to do our AM PM schedule, let's say it's something like feed. So let's say it's time for our Monday workout. So I would probably write in some notes like hack in outside field plus jumping. And then maybe we could put, maybe if this is our AM PM feeding schedule, we would either just check it off or then maybe write in some notes. Next one, so Tuesday we're planning another jumping. Let's say we did gymnastics plus trail walk. And then we did our AM PM usual. Good. Oh, I should have checked in the little circles. I don't know why I didn't do that. That's weird. It's always something. Okay, over here on this side, I decided I want to make one of these checklists a horse show packing list. Whoops. Packing list, checklist. Maybe this one. All right, and we'll put packing list. You can just write out your list of things you need to pack. All right, I think we're all set. Here's my week of pony training. And just one suggestion for a way you can use your planner to track your hobby. Of course, we have another checklist here we could fill out, and you can always add in more pictures and more notes depending on what you're doing. I like it. I think it turned out pretty cute. Leave a comment down below, hit that thumbs up button, make sure you're subscribed, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!